First, we are going to learn how to we're going to learn how to fund our Exness account. So you open your Exness, wait for it, it's loading. Once it opens, what you're here to do is to deposit. Is the deposit button and there's a funding button. Okay. So you click on deposit. This button here, the first option, deposit. And then you will see different options that you can use to deposit. You can use online transfer, bank card, Bitcoin, etc. By Bitcoin means crypto. So we are going to be using online bank transfer. So you choose the account you want to fund, because you can have multiple accounts, you understand. So I have $0 in this account, so I'm going to fund it now. I want to fund $50. Okay, so I'm putting 85k. Nah, let me clean it. I want $50. So this is in naira actually, because I'm a Nigerian. So I put the amount in naira and to convert it to dollar. So I'm funding it's 2,000 to get $51. Okay, so I'll press on continue. You press on continue, this yellow button, this bright yellow button here, continue. You press on it. Then once you've pressed on it, it will load. Then click on confirm. Click on confirm here, this yellow button. And after clicking it, it will process. And here you choose pay with bank transfer. You make a transfer to the account number that will be brought out to you. It's very simple to do. Click on continue. Then this account that was generated for you, you copy it, go to your bank app, your transfer app, and make your transfer. For me, I'll be using my PalmPay. You can use your OPay, PalmPay, or any of your mobile app to make this transfer. Okay, so I'll open my PalmPay, put on transfer, paste the account, search for the name of the bank, which is VFD Bank. Yes, VFD Bank. Then I'll click on next, click on confirm. Then I'll put amount, just confirm the name. Then I'm going to put the amount I want to fund my wallet with. It's 2k. Give me a moment, just give me a minute, okay? I actually put in the wrong amount here. I input the wrong amount. I'll go and generate another account. I'll go back to my Exness to generate another account. Okay, so it's loading. I will close this. If you try funding, make sure it is the same amount, the exact amount you input in your Exness that you're going to be sending to the account number. Hope you understand. Make sure it's the same amount you put. So I'm going to put it again. It's 2k. It's 2,000. Click on continue. Pay with bank transfer. Then I'll copy this account number. Copy it. Go to my PalmPay. You go to your mobile app, any mobile app you're using, go to it. Then paste the account once again. You paste the account, VFD Bank. You verify the name. Once you verify the name, you click on confirm and continue. Put the amount. It's 2,000. That is $51 for me. But you can fund any amount you want. You can fund any amount $100, $500, $1K, $10K. You understand? Any amount you want to fund. Is this same simple process. Very easy to do. Then I funded. I'll go back to my Exness now. I'll go back to my Exness. Minimize of my Exness. Then give it some minutes. It will verify automatically. Don't cancel. Don't go back. Just give it some minutes and it will be automatically verified. Okay. And here, success. My payment of its 2000 has been successful. Even Exness sent me a notification. And here, in less than 10 minutes, your account will be funded. Like once it's confirmed, is that like immediately 2 seconds. And now let's go back to our MT5. And here you can see we are funded already. After under 2 minutes, it should be done. As you can see, we are funded full.